everybody. I'm here today to show you and tell you how to hum. That's right, this will be a full tutorial showing you and telling you how to hum. If you want to make the humming sound just like this, this is the video for you. It's actually really easy to do, and a lot of people think that it's second nature, but some people simply don't know how to do this, so I'm going to show you and tell you exactly how to do it. Let's get into this. Okay, very simple. It's going to be short and sweet. What you want to do is you want to make sure that you are talking, and as you're talking, I want you to close your mouth. So you're going to be talking like this, and then hum, hum, hum. Humming is very simple. You are making a talking sound, okay? So say ha, okay? I know I said talk and close your mouth, and that's a starting point, like just like this. I'm going to just talk, and at one point when I'm talking, I'm just going to close my mouth. So as I'm talking, I'm just going That's the idea behind it, okay? Now to get the actual humming sound is very straightforward. Go like this. Go ha, ha, ha. Now do that with your mouth closed. Now do that with your mouth closed, as in your lips closed and your teeth like together. So you're basically saying ha, but you're not moving your teeth or your lips or anything at all. Ha, And what you're doing is holding the ha, holding the ah in ha. Ha. But do it with your teeth together and your lips together. And now when you do that, you can change the tone. Very simple. That's how to hum. Ha, but with your lips closed and your teeth together. Ha, and then just change the tone. Ha, ha, That's it. That is how to hum, an easy tutorial. And that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more good videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.